Chromatography experiment. Steps number 1. Prepare the chromatograph paper. Cut a rectangular strip of chromatograph paper of appropriate size to fit inside the beaker without touching the sides. Draw a baseline using a pencil and a ruler. Draw a line, thin horizontal line, approximately 1.5 to 2 centimeters from one of the shoulder edges of the chromatograph paper. The line is the baseline or the origin where the dye mixture will be applied. 3. Apply the dye mixture. Use a capillary tube or a fine-tipped dropper to carefully place a small concentrated spot of the dye mixture onto the center of the pencil. Allow the spot to dry completely to prevent it from spreading excessively when the solvent is added. If needed, you can apply the spot in small increments, allowing it to dry between applications to get a more concentrated spot. 4. Pour the solvent. Pour a small volume of the chosen solvent into the beaker. The depth of the solvent should be such that when the chromatograph paper is placed into the beaker, the solvent level is below the baseline where the dye spot is located. Suspend the chromatograph paper. Carefully suspend the chromatograph paper in the beaker so that the bottom edge of the paper is immersed in the solvent, but the dye spot remains above the solvent level. Ensure the paper hangs straight and does not touch the sides of the beaker. You can use a splint or a glass rod laid across the top of the beaker to hold the paper in place, securing it with tape or by folding the top edge over the rod. Then from there, which is step number 6, allow solvent to travel. That is, observe the solvent to start to move up the chromatograph paper by capillary action. Allow the solvent to continue to rise until it has traveled a significant distance, ideally about 2/3 of the 3/4 of the length of the paper. 7. Mark the solvent front. Once the solvent has reached the desired height, carefully remove the chromatograph paper from the beaker. Immediately mark the highest point reached by the solvent with a pencil line. This is the solvent front. Number 8, dry the chromatogram. Allow the chromatography paper, now called the chromatogram, to dry completely in a well-ventilated area. 9, observe and label. Once dry, observe the chromatogram. You should see distinct spots or bands of different colors representing the separated components of the original dye mixture. Carefully outline each spot with a pencil and label them. If you are new on this channel and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more, or visit our website mugombionlineschool.com and enroll for a full course. Thank you.